Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your English instructor Muhammad Hasnain, once again with all of you people. First of all, I'm very thankful to all of you people. I hope you people are enjoying and learning from my videos. I got a lot of great feedback from you people. Plus, I'm a bit sorry from you people because of the late videos that are coming nowadays, because I'm having papers currently. Plus, there are some other problems, like I'm trying to focus on my academics, etc. So that's why these videos are coming late. And I did 3 parts of our current topic, that are modal verbs. I did the other 3 parts that were about its features and a brief short about all of them. I give some spoilers in that. Other part was about have versus must, or must versus have, should versus ought to. If you haven't watched those, watch those first, because they are very important. As you don't go directly into class 2, you first pass class 1 and then go to class 2. So just like that, don't forget to watch my other videos first and then come to this video. So today's topic is very interesting and very amazing. It is very easy, no need to take tensions. I hope you people will understand our today's video. So it is gonna be about modal verbs part 3, which is could versus can. Now, what is can and what is could? First of all, can is actually, in Urdu we say sakta. वो कर सकता है, ये कर सकते हैं, ये सब कर सकते हैं. Sakte, sakta, sakti. These are the words that are used as can in Urdu. So for example, can you give me a glass of water? Can you go there? Can you come with me? Can you leave the room for a while? Now could, what is could? So now if you go towards could, so could is actually very simple. Could means that he could be in traffic. It is used for possibilities. It is used for questions, answers. If we talk about could, so could is very simple. It is used for both possibilities, answers, questions. And for example, questions like if a person says no, so it's okay. But if a person says yes, like for example, the question like we say, could you go from this room for a minute? Could you leave for a minute? Could you go for a minute? Could you give your phone to me for a minute? If the person says no, so we are okay. But if the person says yes, we can do that thing. So for example, could can be used. He could be in a traffic jam. He could be at his home. He could have forgotten to come. He could be at somewhere else. He could be with his mother, etc. We can use it with all of these things. Now, first of all, we'll explain that what is the difference between both of them. Now, there is nothing so much complicated about them. I won't elongate this video just because I need to. I'll just make it brief and I'll just make it simple for you people. I don't need to make it riddles. I don't need to curve it out. I don't need to make it complex for you people. I'll make it very simple for you people. Can is more powerful, but it is not formal. Can you give me the glass of water? This is what parents tell me. Can you give me the glass of water? And even sometimes they say, give me the glass of water. They don't say that कैन, क्या तुम मुझे ग्लास ऑफ वाटर दे सकते हो? नहीं, वो ये नहीं कहते. वो कहते हैं मुझे ग्लास ऑफ वाटर दो. पेरेंट्स इस तरह कहते हैं. कैन यूजुअली पेरेंट्स यूज करते हैं. कैन इज यूजुअली यूज्ड बाय पेरेंट्स बिकॉज दे आर मोर authoritative people. They like to show their authority more. Or teachers, etc. They use this word more because they think it will benefit or it will show the more authoritative personality of the person. Meanwhile, अगर हम लोग could की तरफ जाएं, if we go towards could, so could is actually more of like that formal one that is not very powerful, that is kind of weak, but it is very formal. It can be used in multiple cases. It can be used for multiple things. Now, first of all, what is can used for mostly? Can is usually used for showing obligations. You can or you have to go to school, or you need to go to school, or you ought to go to school, like must things that are must, things that are obligations. You have to do those things. You can go to school because you have legs, and if you don't, you know the consequences. So can is actually mostly used for questions and answers, not for things like the categories that we created, like possibilities, offers, etc. No, it is not used. Yes, we can use it for request. Can you go for a cup of tea with me? Can you give that cup of tea? Offers and requests both. Request is, can you give me the cup of tea? Can you come with me? And offers it, would you like a cup of tea? Just like that, in can we say, can you go out with me? Can you drink a cup of tea with me? Can we go somewhere out sometime? It can be used for both, but usually it is used for questions. Can he do it? Yes, of course, he has a lot of experience. He can do it. Can he swim? Yes, he's a professional swimmer. He can swim. Can he sing? No, he cannot sing because he doesn't has any experience. Can he do a speech? No, he cannot because he hasn't prepared. Now for could, we say it is usually not categorized, but it is usually used for actually a answer or a question that even the person says no or yes, you won't mind. But like can, it has one answer. It cannot be changed. It's not up to the mind of the person. Like if you say can he swim, so can the person, like अगर हम बोले उर्दू में क्या वो swim कर सकता है, can he swim, तो अभी आदमी खुद से तो नहीं बोलेगा ना कि हाँ वो कर सकता है या नहीं कर सकता. वो आदमी खुद से तो नहीं बोलता. अगर वो कर सकता है तो बोलता है yes he can swim, और अगर नहीं कर सकता तो no he cannot swim. वो चेंज नहीं कर सकता. जो रियलिटी है वो रियलिटी होती है. कुड के अंदर आदमी के पास ऑप्शन होते हैं. अगर हम कहें कुड यू सिंग अ सॉन्ग फॉर मी, तो आपके पास ऑप्शन होता है कि आपको करना है कि नहीं करना. आप कह सकते हो नो एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. और अगर ये गुस्से में होगा और अगर आपने कहना हो लाइक इंजॉयबल मूड में आई वुड लव टू बट आई एम सॉरी बट आई कैन नॉट डू इट राइट नाउ बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गुड एट सिंगिंग. इस तरह आप लोग कह सकते हैं. कुड हम लोग इस चीज़ के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. कुड के अंदर आपके पास ओपिनियंस होते हैं, ऑप्शंस होते हैं. यू कैन टेक ओपिनियंस, यू कैन गिव ऑप्शंस, you can do these things. So could you give me a cup of tea? Could you make me a cup of tea? Could you give me the glass of water? Could you turn on the PC for me? Could you go outside of the room for me? Could you subscribe to my channel? Could you watch my other videos? Jokes apart, but these are very easy. I hope you people understood our today's lesson. It was very easy. It had nothing too complex, and if you are still not understanding any questions you have, I'll give answers in any other video, question answer videos, question answer sessions. I'll give the answers to those videos soon after. I'll give answers to those videos. Ask me questions, and if there is something other than that you didn't understand, watch my video again, you will understand it. Thank you so much for being with me. This is all. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.